I'm Jacqueline Stockwell, CEO and founder at Leadership Through Data. I inspire, motivate, and educate information leaders across the world to focus on their messaging through storytelling and visual aid. My goal is to develop a 12-month Empower program that will accelerate information management practices globally whilst enhancing information leaders' personal and professional development. I'm an international best-selling author and a dyslexic entrepreneur, and I'm really excited to be presenting Leadership Through Data's angel investment proposal and our strategic plan for growth and impact globally. So let me just put that into some context. Many organizations today face a real challenge, making sense of their information and data and how to use it to really drive results, how to find things. There's a real shortage of skilled information leaders, and most training options don't keep up to date with what businesses actually need. Our solution at Leadership Through Data, we empower information leaders with modern, practical training and inbuilt consultancy. We're building a strong professional community, and our Global Empower program is already making a real difference to our clients. I'm not just talking about potential, we have the results to prove it. We've won multiple awards, published an international best-selling book, and built a loyal global customer database in the United Kingdom, North America, Australia, and New Zealand. Our finances show real steady growth and strong market design, and our reputation is outstanding. We're seeking investment to take Leadership Through Data to the next level. Your support will help us upgrade our systems, expand our staff, expand our training, and reach more clients globally. We have a clear financial plan and are ready to put your investment to work for real results. I invite you to join us on this journey. Together, I really feel we can shape the future of information management globally. Thank you for your time, and I'm looking forward to speaking to you more about this.